Katie Steiner.
The umbrella just broke. Just completely broke.
Look at that umbrella.
If that doesn't tell you what is happening outside right now, literally, look at my broken umbrella. Whoops, sorry WCCO, probably not going to be getting that one back. But yes, very windy out here. It's also raining. Don't know if I would recommend using the umbrella because your umbrella's probably going to break just like mine did out there. Oh goodness, 44 degrees is what we're looking at right now. You can see 42 in some spots as well. So very, very windy. Here's a look at our recent wind gusts. 35 miles per hour here in St. Paul, 45 miles per hour in Mankato. In Redwood Falls, you're looking at 40 miles per hour as well. So very windy, also very rainy. Guys, I'm going to send it back to you so I can get inside the studio and out of this mess.
Oh.
This poor umbrella.
Yeah, I've got one at my desk.
The umbrella, we're worried about you, Katie. The umbrella's going to be fine.
I'm okay.
All right. Well, thank you for giving us a better idea of what it's like out there.